Hey, what's up everyone? So I'm here at the airport and getting ready to jump out of a plane. Yeah, so how exactly did I get to this point? Well, I am doing a music video for an old blues tune called Going Down by Freddie King, which is funny because I wasn't really intending to do that song so much, but I was teaching that to a private student of mine, and I had forgotten how much of just a rockin' tune that is. So I was playing around with the song after the lesson and kind of accidentally ended up recording the slammin' version of it. But I kept thinking to myself, what can I do for this music video? So I had the video footage of me doing the guitar solos and singing along, but I felt like it needed something a little bit more than gratuitous guitar face. So I kept thinking, what can I do for this video that will enhance it a little bit, that I haven't really done before yet, and that fits with the song? And that's how I got the idea to go skydiving. I've always wanted to go skydiving, have never been before. It's kind of a bucket list item for me. And when I realized I could do that for this song and write it off as a legitimate business expense, I became pretty interested. Thanks, Uncle Sam. This will be my first time jumping, so I'm gonna have to go tandem, but I signed up for the video package, so apparently someone else is gonna jump at the same time and shoot some video, and I'm gonna try to use that in the Going Down music video. At least that's the plan. Cool, so I just pulled up here at the airport, and I have to get some equipment and do a little bit of training before they take us up. But I'm super pumped. I think it's gonna be totally awesome. Can't wait to get up there. It's a beautiful day, and I think it's gonna be a blast. I'll check back in a little bit. Well, I just signed my life away on a piece of paper, so you know it's gonna be a good time. This is the kind of weather we're working with today. It's super nice, a lot of puffy little white clouds. All right, about to get suited up.
Patrick, how are we doing today, buddy?
We're doing great. Getting ready to go up for our first jump. All suited up.
Jump. Oh, you mean skydive?
Yeah.
Very nice, man. Something you've been wanting to do for a long time?
Something I've been wanting to do, and why not? Today's the perfect day for it.
Today is a perfect day for it. Cool. Do you have anything you want to say to anybody before we go to 10-5?
Let's see here. Well, nah.
Cool, man. How was it staring at two faces out there?
Oh man, that was cool. Hell yeah.
Would you do it again, dude?
Yeah, I would.
Would you come back to Jump Tennessee to do it?
I would do it again.
Hell yeah, man. Come on, you're unhooked. Look at that.
So, let's debrief. Spoiler alert, I'm still alive. But that was one of the coolest things I think I've ever done. Just floating up in the sky like that was pretty amazing. It's kind of hard to describe. I wasn't quite prepared for the rush of wind. It was like coming up my nose as we were falling. It wasn't, like painful or anything or too uncomfortable, but just had no idea that it was going to be that intense with the wind. That was the first thing. And then, yeah, it went by so fast. But the free fall was really cool. The free fall went by way quicker than the parachute part of it. The parachute part of it was also cool. Got to drive the parachute a little bit, and we did some spins and tricks with the parachute, which is really cool because if you just pull the brakes on the parachute, it's literally kind of feels like you're just floating in the air. I mean, which you are literally, but you can't really tell, you know, when you're at that height, you're so high up, you can't really tell how fast you're going. So it just feels like you're kind of suspended. It feels like you're floating up there in the air. But anyways, it was amazing. Big shout out to the guys at Jump Tennessee and the crew that took me up. They were great. It made the whole thing really easy. Yeah, so that was amazing. Had a blast. And now it's time to turn this into a music video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.